Hello everyone, welcome back to Finance with Ronke, the channel where we break down personal finance, savings, and smart investing so that everyday Nigerians can build real wealth. I'm Ronke, an ex-banker, chartered stockbroker, and investment banker. My passion is simple, helping you take control of your money and make it work for you. Investing in Nigeria has never been easier thanks to over 430 fintech startups. You can now start growing your money with just 1,000 naira, meaning 1,000 naira, all from your phone. Today, I will show you the top must have savings and investing apps to grow your money fast and how they work and which one fits your goals. To get started, all you need is your smartphone, your BVN or your NIN, and as little as 1,000 naira. But before you rush in, make sure you build an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses. Then you can start small, diversify, and grow steadily. So let's dive into the top must have savings and investing apps to grow your money fast. The number one on my list is PiggyVest. With over 5 billion users and 2 trillion paid out, PiggyVest is perfect for beginners. Automated savings, investments in agriculture, real estate, bonds, transport, and more. You can earn up to 20% on savings, 22% on SafeLock, and 35% on Investify. And on the SafeLock, you can get your interest being paid upfront. So with this, it is self-regulated. So with just your 1,000 naira or 5,000 naira, you can get started on the PiggyVest. The number two on my list is Cowrywise. This is a top-rated savings and investment app with mutual funds managed by experts. Returns range from 12 to 15% per annum, and it is ideal if you want long-term wealth building without monitoring daily. You can also earn up to 20%, especially in group challenges. It has one of the cleanest, most user-friendly interfaces for beginners. If you're a beginner, I would advise you go for Cowrywise. Recently, they included the options of buying shares on their app, which I found quite interesting. That it's just like a one-stop for shop for everything mutual funds, like for beginners, mutual funds, shares, and all that. Then we go to the next point. The next one on my list is Bamboo. If you want to get access to both the Nigerian and US company stocks like Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, then you go for Bamboo. Starting with just 1,000 naira, you can buy shares of all these companies on the app, on the Bamboo app, with just 1,000 naira. And you also get a USD wallet to protect against naira volatility. Number four on my list is Trove. With Trove, you can buy the Nigerian stocks, the US stocks, and even Chinese stocks, ETFs, and bonds. On Trove, you can also get fractional shares, which means that maybe the share of Tesla, for example, is being sold for $300, and you cannot buy a single unit of Tesla share at $300. You can just buy a fraction, maybe a piece, or maybe $5 or $10 or $1 of that 300, the whole $300. So that's fractional shares. So with 1,000, whatever it's calculated, maybe 0.001% of that total pie, you get it on Trove app, and it is great for global diversification. The next on my list is Risevest. This is focused on dollar investment, which includes both the US stocks, the real estate, and treasuries with returns up to 25%. This is a strong edge. It gives you a strong edge against inflations and is your sure best. Then the next on my list is Optimus by AfriInvest, and their counterpart is AfriInvestor 2.0. The AfriInvestor 2.0, you can use it to buy shares, Nigerian shares, Nigerian stocks on the NGS, and while the Optimus is used for savings and for fixed income. So on the Optimus, you can get OptiFlex. You can put your money in OptiFlex, whereby you can get up to 13% per annum, and withdraw. You are able to withdraw anytime with no penalties. The counterpart is in USD is the OptiFlex USD, where you can get up to 4% interest in dollars and with zero withdrawal fees as well. Then you can do the OptiLock, whereby you can lock up your savings for and you get up to 20%. Or you do the OptiTarget, you can where you save the group and earn 15%. Whether you want flexibility or fixed returns, Optimus has a plan for you, and you can save in both naira and in dollars. The next on my list is iInvest. This app is great for fixed income lovers. Treasury bills, maybe you want to invest in treasury bills, you want to invest in commercial papers and mutual funds, and you get up to 25% per annum returns. iInvest is a good bet for you. They're broker free, and they are SEC regulated. So they are regulated on the Nigerian stock exchange. So it is an app that you can as well use. Then we have Chaka, which is ideal. Is now being integrated with Risevest, and Chaka offers Nigerian and US stocks and ETFs, and they are ideal for active traders. It is transparent, it has low fees, and it is SEC regulated. So one of the things I want to tell you is that if you want to begin with low risk apps, you can start with PiggyVest or Cowrywise. And my advice is that only use regulated apps that are regulated by SEC or CBN. SEC is the Security Exchange Commission, and CBN is the Central Bank of Nigeria. So because you are going to link your bank account with those apps, and once they are regulated, you don't have anything to fear. So you can submit your BVN, or you can submit your NIN, and then you can set an automated or recurring debit, whereby they can take money regularly from your account into the savings app, so that you can get to save or invest without even any interference. So you invest, and which makes you to invest consistently. And then you watch out for, when you are investing in all these apps, you watch out for naira devaluation. That's why we have those with the US options, US dollars investment option. So you can use dollar apps like the Risevest or the Chaka as an edge. And most importantly, start small. Even with 1,000 naira, you can start, and you stay what? You stay consistent. That is the key. So these 8 apps, they have empowered millions of Nigerians to take control of their money. We have more than that, but at least these eight apps are really very, very good, and they've empowered a lot of Nigerians. And you must remember, start small, do your research, and pick apps that align with your goals. If you're a beginner, like I said, PiggyVest and Cowrywise are perfect. And once you've been able to master those words, you can level up your financial journey and start today. So thank you for watching. If you have any money question you want me to address in my next video, kindly drop it in the comments section. Remember, this is Finance with Runke, where your money learns to work for you. So like this video, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, stay smart, stay consistent, and keep building wealth. Thank you.